Welcome to Winsensors. This is a controller for ozone generator. It has one sensor, one screen, and one controller board. It can be used to automatically control the ozone generator machine and monitor the concentration of the generator. It can automatically power off when concentration of the ozone reaches certain level, and also power on when the ozone low to the certain level. I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. It has two powers. One is 5 voltage power. You can use these two cables to connect to any 5 voltage power to control the screen. Alternatively, you can use a USB power bank just to connect, just insert, and it will automatically power on the screen. Another power is for connection to the ozone generator. Normally, this is a small ozone generator. Normally, it just plug into this adapter, it will power on. If you can please just cut the one cable and insert these two cables into place here and fix it with screwdriver, and that's it. It will control the power of this limiter, of this controller. It has 3 buttons. One is to set the minimum and maximum of the concentration, and please note the cable, the screen and the sensor are not fixed, so we can adjust the length of the cable. If you want a longer length for the sensor, or if you want the screen to be displayed at another place, for example, we can give you 1 meter cable so you can see the screen 1 meter away from your generator. And if we can press the button here, we can set the minimum and maximum of the ozone concentration, and it will power off when it reaches the maximum which is set by us, and it will power on again automatically when it reaches the minimum figure which is set by us. Let's see if we can just press the button. It can set the data here, and you can press this one to increase the figure, and this button to decrease the figure, and you can change by press again and set the maximum figure. And then please ignore this T and H, that is for other function, are not used for this one. So back to the screen. So we will use this one which we already connected to demonstrate how the machine works. If I plug this to power on, and we have 3 buttons here, we can check the figure here. For example, for this controller, it will power on when it reaches 15 ppm, and it will power off when it reaches 55 ppm for the ozone concentration. And we put this into a small box so the ozone can be quickly reaches density. And if we can see the figure here, it's 15, and it will power off at 15 and power at 55. Let's see how it works. See, the ozone generator is on, and the sensor is reading the figure. It is 13 ppm, 636, 45, 55. It powers off when it exceeds the 45 ppm. And if we remove cover, the concentration of the ozone should be decreased very quickly. See, when it reaches 15, it will power on. The ozone generator is power on, and the concentration should be power on, goes up quickly again. It's 25, 34, 46, 58, 100 ppm, and we'll remove the cover, and the concentration will goes down again, and it will 21, 15, 12, it powers on. See, 40, 41, 53, it powers off again. So you can connect this controller with your ozone generator, and you can automatically control your ozone generator and monitor the concentration of the ozone generator. Please contact us if you have any question in using this controller.